So there was windy and I had to stop, but I didn't. So I ended up crashing this into a fence. And two of the wings broke from here and also this tower. I ran back in, I started printing another part, but then at the same time I said, well, let's try super glue. And I did. I used super glue, I put it in a vise, and in 1 hour it was fixed. It runs on glued wings right now. Controller here trying to turn the frame to the direction, correct direction. These are going clockwise, so they would turn the frame counterclockwise. So if I turn the frame counterclockwise, you see,
make sure that this is on. Yeah. And then when
that at this point
this goes through,
they stop because the angle is correct.
you know what I'm saying?
Now if I go further, the other ones will start to turn the frame the other way. So by this, so this is basically showing me that that's north.
This one, right?
This axis points to north here, and already the setting is on 0. So when it's point on north, then it stops. Now see the effect of the change of angle.
Yeah. That's your IR, and then that's going to 2, and then here's through, which is all this crap together here, so yeah. Okay.
That's the attitude control loop, compensating for the change of angle around the axis. So when that one is lower, it increases the throttle for that motor to bring it up and go back to 0. And then you can see the D term of the yaw here. If I turn this a little fast, it reacts to the angular velocity. It's because it's low speed right now, it's not as good, but you can see this one, as soon as I move it, it starts to react. But it does a better job at higher speed. Brushless motors are not great at starting up.